What's up, Snappers? If you're already using the Snap360 app, you know it's one of the most powerful tools for creating your videos. But today, we're taking things to the next level. We're going to show you how to manage your entire business from the comfort of your computer using the new Admin Snap360 Web Panel. Let's dive in. First things first, go to admin.snap360app.com. If you're a new user, just click on Register and fill in your details. Your first name, last name, email, password, and repeat password. Then you'll have to press on Create Account. Remember, you'll use the same login details to access the app on your iOS or Android device. If you're already a Snap360 user, you don't need to create a new account. Just log in using the same email and password you already use in the app. Complete the process, and you're in. Just like that, all your information syncs instantly. And remember, accessing the web platform comes at no additional cost. It's included as part of your Snap360 experience. Once inside, you'll land on the Welcome dashboard. This is your control center. Here, you'll always have an overview of what's happening in your account. It's your starting point to navigate all the tools that will make your workflow more efficient. So, what can you find here? Monitor your storage. Check how many events you have. Access support if you need help. You'll also find quick action buttons like Create Event, Manage Your Subscription View, Snap360 Tutorials. You'll also find a full video guide on how to use Snap360, and if you're ready to level up, you'll see the option to upgrade your plan, whether you're a free user or on the Pro plan, so you can unlock the full potential with Diamond Pro. On the left-hand side, you'll find the main menu, Events, where you can create and edit your events. Subscriptions, manage your plans. Tutorials, access all Snap360 guides. You can also change your account language from this section. And you'll have access to a quick guide to help you navigate the platform easily. Just remember, the web platform is for management. The magic of recording still happens on your iOS or Android devices. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips. See you next time, Snappers.